Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do I restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First, open up Messenger. Now find the person you want to restrict. For example, I want to restrict this guy right here. All you have to do is long press on the conversation, then click on restrict. Then restrict. And as you can see, my conversation with them is gone because they are now restricted. If you ever want to unrestrict this person, first you have to click the three lines at the top left corner. Now you want to click the settings icon. Now scroll down, click on privacy and safety, and you can find them here inside restricted accounts. Now click on their account, click continue, then click unrestrict, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.